Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make cheese fatayer or flatbread. So you're going to need 3 cups of plain flour and 1 sachet of yeast, and also we're going to add to this half a teaspoon of salt, lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I'll list all the ingredients down below, and then I've just put this in my mixing bowl and I'm just going to knead the dough now, just adding a little bit of lukewarm water as we're going. So as you can see, I'm just mixing it. I've added the water, and now I'm just going to cover it and leave it for about an hour. While we wait, we can make the cheese filling. For this, you're going to need 3 cups of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, 1 beaten egg, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and you're just going to mix it all up, and then we're going to use this as our filling. Also, you can add some mixed herbs or coriander powder if you like as well. I've used half a teaspoon here, and there you go. I've just added that in, and that filling is ready to use. I'm just going to chill this in the fridge, and I'm just going to go and check on the dough. And the dough looks like it has risen. I mean, leave it for as long as you can. I only had about an hour, so I just had to get it ready. And it looked a bit sticky, so I just added a little bit more plain flour. And then I'm going to divide this into 12 round balls, and I've just placed them on a chopping board here, ready to then divide up and put on a baking tray. We're just going to flatten them out, make them oval shaped, and then we can add our filling. I'll just show you that in a second here. And as you can see, I've just rolled the dough out, and I've just put the cheese, and then each side you're just going to pinch the edges and roll over the edges, and then coat them with a little bit of milk or cream to give that shiny appearance. And then we're going to put this in the oven, a fan oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure that it has cooked through, and enjoy while they're warm. It's lovely as an appetizer or for breakfast as well. Thanks for watching.